This morning I'm going to show you what it takes to raise these meat birds, to raise clean chicken. So we have chicken tractors in here with Remy. We have, you can't see them real well, and we'll get down there closer, but there's 4 chicken tractors down there with Aspen. All right, that's 4 down. We got 2 to go. Whew. Every morning. They'll go to the processor on December 27th. So I'll do this. The 26th will be my last morning because I'll load them in the trailer the night of the 26th. And I got to be at Clinton, Arkansas at 6:30 in the morning of the 27th. They're a lot of work. We are almost done. So now we'll refill all our feed buckets and our water buckets, get them back in the feed wagon so we don't have to do that in the morning. That's it. Every morning to produce clean chicken, I gotta get filthy, but it's worth it. It's so much better than what you're buying at the grocery store. Better for you, better for me, better for them.